Hello, everybody. Every one of us on this planet Earth is sent forth by Him, the Almighty, to cultivate all the creative potential within us and live at peace within our own choices that we make through our life. We only differ in a way we make our choices and evolve our destiny. So whatever choices you have made in your life, that is not important. No matter what kind of problems you are faced with in your life, be aware that God is with you, and when He is with you, who can dare to be against? So with this firm belief, I will start today's work. The first word for today is glut. Glut. Glut means overstock, filled to excess. Example: the many manufacturers glutted the market and could not find purchasers for the many articles they had produced. One more example: do not glut your plate with this huge amount of food stuff that you will not be able to finish by yourself. Next word is glutinous. Glutinous. Glutinous means sticky, viscous. Example: molasses is a glutinous substance. Gum is also glutinous. Next word is glutton. Glutton. Glutton is someone who eats too much. And gluttons are actually the people who are most probable to suffer from obesity because of their habit of pressing more food into their stomach. Okay, so glutton is someone who eats too much. Example: when mother saw the Bobby had eaten all the cookies, she called him a little glutton. Next word is gnarled. Gnarled. Gnarled means twisted. Example: the gnarled oak tree had been a landmark for years and was mentioned in several deeds. Oak trees are often straight, but because of gnarled oak tree, this became a landmark for identification of a particular region. Next word is genome. Gnome. It is read as gnome. Gnome means dwarf, underground spirit. In medieval mythology, gnomes were the special guardians and inhabitants of subterranean mines. Actually, terrain is used for terrestrial land. Subterranean means land, sorry, caverns below the land. Okay, so gnomes were dwarfs who were inhabitants of subterranean mines. Next word is goad. Goad. Goad means urge on. Urge on. Example: he was goaded by his friends until he yielded to their wishes. His friends too tried to goad him to drink alcohol, but he refused. Next word is gorge. Gorge. Gorge means narrow canyon, a steep rocky cleft. Example: terrified of heights, George could not bring himself to peer down into the gorge to see the rapids below. Rapids is actually a type of waterfall. Next word is gorge. Gorge. Again, this is again the same spelling, but here gorge means stuff oneself. The gluttonous guest gorged himself with food as though he had not eaten for days. Next word is gory. Gory. Gory means bloody. Example: the audience shuddered as they listened to the details of the gory massacre. Lion is a carnivore. It likes gory feast. Next word is gossamer. Gossamer. Gossamer means shear, like cobwebs. Example: nylon can be woven into gossamer or thick fabrics. Next word is gouge. Gouge. Gouge means tear out. Example: in that fight, all the rules were forgotten. The adversaries bit, kicked, and tried to gouge each other's eyes out. Next word is gourmand. Gourmand. Gourmand is a person who takes excessive pleasure in food and drink. A synonym for gourmand is epicure. Gourmands are persons who lack self-restraint. If they enjoy a particular cuisine, they eat far too much of it, or that much amount that their stomach can sustain. Next word is gourmet. Gourmet. Gourmet means connoisseur of food and drink. Connoisseur, we have read earlier also, connoisseur is a person competent of judging a particular item because of the experience in a particular field or expertise in a particular field. So gourmet is a connoisseur of food and drink. The gourmet stated that this was the best onion soup she had ever tasted. Next word is graduated. Graduated. Graduated means arranged by degree. Degree of height, difficulty, etc. Example: Margaret loved her graduated set of Russian hollow wooden dolls. She spent hours happily putting the smaller dolls into their larger counterparts. Actually, Russian dolls are known throughout the world because of their unique design. Russian dolls are hollow, and inside larger dolls, smaller dolls are put. Next word is granary. Granary. Granary means a storehouse for grain. Example: we have reason to be thankful, for our crops were good and our granaries are full. Next word is grandeur. Grandeur. Grandeur means impressiveness, stateliness, majesticness. Example: no matter how often he hiked through the mountains, David never failed to be struck by the grandeur of the Sierra Nevada range. Okay, Himalaya is known throughout the world for grandeur of its peaks. Next word is grandiloquent. Grandiloquent. Grandiloquent means actually loquent means a person who is talkative, and grandiloquent means person who always talks big. Example: meaning of grandiloquent is pompous, bombastic. A person who talks with lot of conceit. Sorry, a person who talks with lot of conceit. Okay, so example: the politicians could never speak simply. They always speak grandiloquent. Next word is grandiose. Grandiose. Grandiose means imposing, impressive. Example: his grandiose manner impressed those who met him for the first time. Next word is granulate. Granulate. Granulate means form into grains. Example, sugar that has been granulated dissolves more readily than lump sugar. Granulated salts are available in many brands. Next word is graphic. Graphic. Graphic means pertaining to the art of delineating, vividly described. Delineating means to tell by making lines. Okay, so graphic means pertaining to the art of delineating. I was particularly impressed by the graphic presentation of the storm. You all have seen, you all must have seen maps, geographical maps. Geographical maps are just a graphic representation of a region. Next word is grapple. Grapple. Grapple means wrestle, come to grips with. Grappling techniques are generally used in martial art forms like judo, kabaddi, etc. Example, he grappled with the burglar and overpowered him. Next word is grate. Grate. Grate means make a harsh noise, have an unpleasant effect. Example, the screams of the quarreling children grated on her nerves. Next word is gratify. Gratify. Gratify means please. Example, her parents were gratified by her success. I listen to romantic songs to gratify my mind. Next word is gratis. Gratis. Gratis means free. Example, the company offered to give one package gratis to every purchaser of one of their products. Okay, you must be familiar with this. Many companies provide their products free as a compliment with the purchase of one or two products. So that is just gratis package. Next word is gratuitous. 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 Example, meaning of this word is given freely, unwarranted. Example, quit making gratuitous comments about my driving. No one asked you for your opinion. We can put it like this also. Quit making gratuitous complaints about your failure. Make efforts to become successful. Next word is gratuity. Gratuity. Gratuity means tip. Example, now tip is actually the final position. Many service employees rely more on gratuities than on salaries for their livelihood. Tip is also provided to the waiters after you finish your lunch or dinner in a hotel. Okay, so that is also gratuity. Sometimes in big hotels, you will find that waiters earn more through gratuity than their salaries. Next word is gravity. Gravity. Gravity here does not mean the gravity as a scientific term. Gravity here means seriousness. Example, we could tell we were in serious trouble from the gravity of her expression. Next word is gregarious. Gregarious. Gregarious means sociable. A person who can mix quickly with a new circle of people. Example, typically party throwers are gregarious, hermits are not. Now who are hermits? Hermits are those people like monks who lead a life of solitude. Next word is grievance. Grievance. Grievance means cause of complaint. In many government institutions, you will find grievance department. Now, what does that department do? They just collect the complaints from people and try to mitigate them or eliminate them. Example, when her supervisor ignored her complaint, she took her grievance to the union. Next word is grill. Grill. Grill means question severely. Example, in violation of the Miranda law, the police grilled the suspect for several hours before reading him his rights. Next word is grimace. Grimace. Grimace means a facial distortion to show feelings such as pain, disgust, etc. Even though she remained silent, his grimace indicated his displeasure. Grimace of your countenance can tell people how you feel in a particular situation. Next word is grisly. Grisly. Grisly means ghastly, horrible. Example, she shuddered at the grisly sight. She averted his eyes from the dead cat on the highway. For her, it was a grisly sight. Next word is grotesque. Grotesque. Grotesque means fantastic. Comically hideous. Example, on Halloween people enjoy wearing grotesque costumes. Halloween is a festival celebrated in America. During that day, on Halloween day, people assume or wear different get-ups. They hide their original identity in a comic way in support of some noble cause, etc. Next word is grotto. Grotto. Grotto means a small cavern. Now, cavern you may be familiar with. Caverns are the caves inside water bodies. Okay. The Blue Grotto in Capri can be entered only by small boats rowed by natives through a natural opening in the rocks. Next word is grouse. Grouse. Grouse means complain, fuss. Example, students traditionally grouse about the abysmal quality of mystery meat and similar dormitory food. Actually, in those hostels where meat is supplied as food during some time in their week, it is very difficult for them to identify which type of meat it is. Okay, so they complain, they grouse about the food. Even in a general way, you will find students grousing about the food they get in the mess. Okay, so this was the last word for today. Thank you.